Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Audio, Visual and Lighting Engineers. In today's video, I'll show you how to convert a Windows-based PC to IGEL OS. I have already downloaded the IGEL OS from their site and created a bootable USB drive. So let's jump right into it. First, connect the bootable pen drive. Then we need to restart the PC. As it boots up, keep tapping the F12 on keyboard until the boot option pop up on your screen. This is crucial for selecting the correct boot device. Once you see those options, select your USB drive and you will see a few choices. So I'm selecting a standard installation. Then enter. Select the language. Select the install IGEL OS. Then accept the EULA. Agree. Then again install IGEL OS. The installation process will kick off and this might take a moment. The installation process is completed now. It's time to shut down the PC. The pop-up will come, then press close here. The PC will reboot automatically. And there you have it. Your system is now ready for you to set up and deploy. Follow the instruction showing on display. It's that simple. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.